The bathroom is a small place where big things happen. And it's important that when you're cleaning it, you use your time effectively so you can get the most amount of work done in the least amount of time. And that's why in this video, I'm sharing with you some bathroom cleaning secrets, some little pro tips, some things that I use to get this space clean. Because by the way, I don't like cleaning the bathroom. In fact, it's my least favorite place to clean. And if you haven't done so already, make sure that you subscribe to the Makers Clean channel for more great cleaning tips, and give this video a thumbs up if you like cleaning with microfiber cloths. If you use your bathroom counter to put makeup on, you might have noticed there's a bit of fallout at the end of your application process. That's essentially all the stuff that has fallen onto the counter, and over time it can stain or it just looks gross. So the easy solution here is to line your counter with a cloth. I actually use a Makers Clean waffle weave towel to do this. I put it down, all of the stuff goes there, and then when I'm finished whatever I'm doing, I can give the counter a quick wipe and I throw that directly into my wash pile. So it saves the counter and it's an easy fix. If you find keeping your bathroom counters clean to be a bit of a challenge because you actually have to think about getting cleaning products, go out of your way, bring them back to the bathroom, do your cleaning, then take them all the way back to where you normally keep your cleaning products, you would probably be a great candidate for what we call here a satellite cleaning kit, which is essentially just a little kit that you keep in your bathroom that you can use to keep it clean. What I recommend in this case is a small bottle of all-purpose cleaner and a little Makers Mini. They're just those little 4x4 microfiber cloths. You can pull them out and use them for quick touch-ups and then put them back under your bathroom sink. Can we just have a minute for shampoo bottles and body wash bottles and bars of soap? Because they sit in our showers after we're done using them, and really what happens after you squirt some stuff into your hands, there's always that residual soap that kind of hangs out on that bottle that, came out but didn't make it into your hands. Over time, that mixes with water, it drips down, and it creates those nasty ring marks on the base of wherever you're keeping those bottles. So a few things to consider to keep that mess clear. If you keep your bottles in the shower at all times, it is a mold or mildew trap. You're just gonna see it get dingy over time. And if you're not properly airing out your shower or your bathroom after you use it, you'll notice that that will start to get really gross pretty fast. So a few tips to use. First, let everything drain close to the drain instead of sitting on the ledge or the shelf where you normally leave them. So take all your bottles and put them right down by the drain. That's just gonna let everything drip dry and allow those surfaces that would otherwise be cluttered up by bottles, which are moisture traps, effectively dry, preventing that mold or mildew. Remember that your bathroom is a space that needs its laundry done too, whether it's your shower curtain or your bath rug or your hand towels. Those things have to be collected and cleaned on a fairly regular basis. We change our hand towels out a couple times a week. Our bath rug or bath mat, depending on what you call it, we launder ours every 1 to 2 weeks. We're pretty on point with that one. And the shower curtain we do a couple times a year or anytime it looks like it needs it. Those little refreshes go a long way. When you're done cleaning your toilet and your toilet bowl brush is dripping wet, resist every urge to put that wet brush back into the bowl brush container. Instead, let it drip dry back into the toilet bowl, and only when it is dry should you then put it back into the bowl brush container. How might you do this? You might be wondering. Quite simple. Take the brush, lay it flat against the toilet bowl so that the brush part is actually facing right into the bowl itself, then close the lid, and there you have it. For even more bathroom cleaning tips, we've got a big video over at the Clean My Space channel, our main channel. You can click this button right over here and it'll take you to that video. And remember, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the Makers Clean YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.